you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Nieces and nephews, the food pantry was open. And guess what? That's right. I got a food pantry haul for you today. I'm going to make up for those missing videos. Let's go. Right. We have a wonderful haul here today, and we're going to start from the left all the way to the right. I am so excited about the items I got today. All right, let's dive in. We got, right on time for the cold weather, plenty of penne pasta for all those casseroles and Italian dishes that I'm going to do. Look at this. I got 2 bags. This will last the entire season. 2 big bags. Then we got 3 cans of organic diced tomatoes. Look at that. Look at that. Then we've got 3 cans of low sodium traditional pasta sauce. You know I love that. Then we got some no salt mixed cans green beans. Oh, look at that. 3 cans worth. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Then we got 3 packs of enriched long grain white rice. That's going to go good. Did you know you can do rice casseroles? Yes, you can. Rice and gravy. Oh, yeah. 3 packs of tortillas. The corn style. So I'm going to make my own corn chips. Yep. That is so good. 3 packs of pinto beans. You know, over the winter, beans are so good. And soups, you can make soups with these. And you can make bean dips. Or if you want to, make your own baked beans. Then we've got some black beans, 3 cans of those. I love my black bean soup. You've seen my video for that. Then I've got some light red kidney beans. I make a cold salad with that. I also make them hot. I can also do red beans and rice. Now, let's jump over here. I'm really excited about this. Look at this. 2 cantaloupes. Oh, you know I'm slicing that up today. Then we've got 2 boxes of mashed potatoes, the instant kind. You could do shepherd's pie with these. You could do baked potatoes. Yes, you could do twice baked potatoes. Just put those in some safe ramekins, oven safe, or a casserole dish and twice bake your mashed potatoes. It is a delicious dish. Got some apples. Some wonderful green apples right here. Then we've got some dried tart cherries. Oh, these are so good in smoothies and cookies. Oh, yeah. I've got some wrinkle cut carrots. I just cook these up with a little bit of cinnamon, brown sugar, and butter, and some salt and pepper to taste. They are wonderful. We've got a bag of onions, a bag of golden potatoes, which are my favorite. I love to mash these and make mashed potatoes. Then we've got liquid gold. Oh, yeah. Eggs, perfect. Whole dozen. Then we've got some milk, whole milk, half gallon. Then we've got some 1% shelf-stable milk. Then check this out. 2 packs of drumsticks they gave us. These are going to hit the grill before the end of summer. Then we've got some Alaskan pollock fish nuggets. These are good. They're already breaded, so you can fry these up for the kids or put them in the oven and serve them that way. Less fat and oil. Then we've got some ground chicken. You can make tacos. You can make chicken burger helper. All kind of things. Just see what we got right here. A little bit of a pan. Oh, yeah. All right, nieces and nephews, we finally got our food pantry haul. I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe, and more importantly, I want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Let me know if you need food. Let me know if you need recipes. And yes, I got some more recipes coming up. Did you all look at my little Halloween video? Take a look at it. Nobody's looking. All right. Now, do not be afraid to go to the food pantry. Do not have no stigma about it. What I got today, I'm going to show you a cute little recipe. Since we were missing videos and my phone is also broken, I'm going to try to do as many videos as I can for you this weekend, okay? All right. Till a few days from now, or a few hours. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got